to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, again, this is Robot Wallet. If you have been following me on this channel, you know that I've made some videos concerning this platform called Robot Wallet, and I have showed you some withdrawal proof on this platform. So right now, if you look at my balance here on my Robot Wallet, you will see that I have $10 here, $10 which can be withdrawable. So right now I want to withdraw this money right now, and I want to see if this platform is still paying. Maybe you can still go to pay money into it and start your own ways to make money on the platform. So right now I want to make a withdrawal from this platform, and let's see if I will receive the money or not. So this is my payment address. This is the wallet address the money is going to. I think this is my Trust Wallet wallet address. So I think this is my Trust Wallet address. So right now, let me first go to my Trust Wallet and show you the last time I received money to the account and the amount that is there, so that you can know if this money is coming right now, maybe if it is coming from Robot Wallet or not. So right now, let me go to my Trust Wallet and show it to you. So this is my Trust Wallet. I think this is the account wallet. Okay, this is the wallet. So this is the wallet I'm receiving money into. So the last time I received money to this wallet is today, this morning. So I received 1.16 USDT into this wallet from MTBTC. You can check my video for today. You can check it. You will see the video where I withdraw this money from. You will see how I withdraw it and where I withdraw it from, this money right here. So right now, let me go back to the Robot Wallet and make a withdrawal of this $10. So after I make this withdrawal of this $10, they will take their own transaction fee of 5% from the amount I want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw $10, so they will take their own transaction fee of 5%. I think I should receive like 9 point something, 9 point or 8. Let's see. So confirm. Click on confirm. Now input your password, your password, your transaction password. I've input it, as you can see, submitted successfully. So right now they have deduct the money from my account. So I'm going to receive like 9 point something. Let me see, let me check. So I'm going to receive 9.5, yes, $9.50. As you can see, their handling fee is 0.50 USDT. So right now it writes successful right here. It has already write successful now. So let me go to my Trust Wallet and check if the money has arrived into my wallet here. So I'm in my Trust Wallet right now. Let me keep on refreshing the page. So as you can see, guys, this is the money right here, 9.5 USDT. That is $9.5. That is it, $9.5. You can check the time. So I received this money. So guys, as you can see it by yourself, this platform Robot Wallet is paying. As you can see it, the platform is paying. They are paying. So as you can see, they are paying. Since all these days I've been talking about this platform, but some people are still scared. If you have make money or put money into this platform since all these days, by now you would have make more than times 2 of your investment on this platform. So till now, this platform still exists. They still exist. I put okay, let me show you something here on this platform. So if you want to know more how this platform works, this is how it work here. This is how it work right here. So if for their first robot here, the robot one here, if you purchase the robot at the rate of $2, you need to purchase the robot at the rate of $2, then put in $30. After you put in the $30, that $30 will work for you for 30 days and will be giving you $0.45 every day, every single day. You can withdraw at any time. You have up to $10 in your account. Their minimum withdrawal is $10, so you can withdraw at any time. You have up to $10. So for the robot 2, you can also check the robot 2. This robot 2 here, this one will be giving you $1.50 every day. The price of this robot is $5, but the startup capital you need for this robot to start working for you is $100, and this robot will work for you for 30 days. That means in 30 days you can make more than 30 something dollars, or about $45, about $45. And remember, they will always return your startup capital back to you at the end of 30 days. Or you can decide to suspend the robot and withdraw your capital if you want. If you need your capital urgently, if you need your money to do some other stuff, you can just suspend the robot and quickly use your money. But for me, I like to make it to run everything finish for the 30 days. At least if you can't risk, you can't make money. So this robot price is $5. So if you want to invest on this robot too here, if you don't have robot yet, all you need to do is to just deposit 105. So the $5 will go for the company to purchase the robot, and the remaining $100 will be your startup capital, and that one will be giving you $1.5 every single day. They will always return your startup capital back to you at the end of 30 days. So you can withdraw at any time. You have up to $10 in your account. So also robot 3 here, the price of the robot is $25. The startup capital is $500, and this robot will be giving you $88 every day for 30 days. You can do your calculation and you will know how much you'll be making for 30 days. You can withdraw anytime. You have up to $10 in your account. So that is how this platform work. If you are interested on this platform, you can still join them. You can still take the risk and join them. So guys, thank you for watching. As you can see, they are paying. Thank you for watching. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, on this channel I share different videos on how to make money online, different opportunities. So if you don't want to lose or miss my updates, just click on that subscribing button below this video and hit that bell behind it. And also, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. Thank you for watching for now, and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now. Goodbye.